The Honor X70i has just been revealed in China. It appears that this manufacturer is really pushing the pedal to the metal and is catching up to Realme in terms of their rapid-fire launches. Practically, they're introducing two new smartphones almost every single week. The major highlight of this device is its remarkably lightweight, coming in at just 188.5 grams, along with its slim profile, measuring only 7.2009 millimeters in thickness. It is crafted with an aluminum alloy chassis that features a matte finish. This phone is offered in 4 different colors: magnolia purple, velvet black, and sky blue. In fact, sky blue is mentioned 3 times, emphasizing its availability, and moonshadow white. For the display, we find a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with resolution of 1080x, 2412 pixels, 120 Hz scene is refresh rate, and we are going to find a peak brightness of 30,500 nits, so it is ideal for outdoor use even under sunlight. It has a fingerprint reader under the screen. And with regard to performance, it integrates the Dimensity 7025 Ultra MediaTek processor, although curiously the GPU is not Mali, but IMGB XM8-256, a rather strange name for a GPU, and it's available in 8 with 256, 12 with 256, or 12 with 512 gigabytes. The storage is UFS 2.2. It has a large 6000 mAh battery, supporting 30-watt fast charging, reaching 50% in 30 minutes. It runs on Android 15 with macOS 9, featuring AI-like face replacement. Since we're discussing photography, this device has a 108 megapixel rear camera with f1.75 aperture. It includes AI features like image expansion and style generator. For selfies, it has 8 megapixels and supports IP65 for splashes and dust, but not submersion. Since this device was introduced in China, we have not yet confirmed if it will be launched globally. However, the launch price for the most basic model in that region is 1,399 yuan. Which translates to around $199. Keep in mind, of course, that prices here differ from those over there. Also, there are versions available with increased RAM and more storage, but they do come at a higher price. I would love to hear your thoughts on this device and whether you would like to see it have a global launch or not.